Hey, so are you one of those people that hates networking or just finds it hard to walk up to strangers and randomly start a conversation? Or are you just looking for a better way to network with less awkwardness? Then this video is just for you because I'll be sharing with you the way that I typically network and quickly build rapport with strangers. My name is TJ and I'm a self-taught software engineer that shares coding tips and tutorials to help beginners on their coding journey, while also sharing insights to help you navigate the tech industry overall. And now real quick, a lot of people have been asking me about Python in the comments, and even though I don't teach Python, our sponsor Brilliant is an online learning platform that has a great Python course that even I started working on as well. Their approach to learning is built around exploration, interactive learning, and a deep understanding of core concepts. I like the Brilliant platform because they use the same interactive problem-solving approach that I use with my own students, and that hands-on approach will help you to build strong problem-solving skills as you work on real-world problems. Their Python course kicks off with you learning to read and execute code, and then it starts to build up from there. And even if you're not interested in Python but you're still trying to learn to code, they have courses on other topics that are relevant to your coding journey, such as data structures, algorithms, computer science fundamentals, and so much more. They have over 60 plus courses to choose from, so there's something for everyone. So make sure that you use the link below to sign up and get started learning for free today. And check the description for more information as well. Now, when it comes to networking, it's really hard to get a stranger to go out on a limb and vouch for you or to even help you when they don't know much about you or your work. And yeah, sure, you can share that information during the conversation, but if you're trying to make a career change and you don't have any experience in the field you're trying to get into, then that just makes things a lot harder. But that's where my networking hack comes in. So whether you have experience or not, I believe the best way to start networking with people is to volunteer. It's always best to first give help before asking for it, and volunteering is a great way to do just that. When I was learning to code and trying to network to help me break into the industry, I used to volunteer at different events that I found interesting, especially tech events. I would simply email the organizers and ask if there's anything they needed help with for the event that I could volunteer for. This supercharged my networking because when I was volunteering at those events, the people attending the event saw me as part of the organization, so they would approach me instead of me having to approach them. They would approach me to ask questions about the event, which made it a lot easier to get a conversation going without the awkwardness that comes from, just the typical way of trying to network. It also made it easier for me to approach them because I could ask if they had any questions about the event or the organization. So automatically, I'm providing value to people and helping them, and that makes it easier for them to want to help me later on. So that is the first benefit to volunteering. The second benefit to volunteering is with the organizer of the event itself. Just by showing up on time and helping out like I said I would, the organizer sees that I'm someone that can be trusted and counted on, that goes out of their way to help others. Now, who wouldn't want to help someone like that, right? And the organizer is typically your most powerful ally because they are already known and established in the industry, so they have a lot of people in their network that they could potentially recommend you to. So you definitely want to make a good impression on the organizer, and a simple way to do that is by just simply showing up on time and doing exactly what you committed to and going above and beyond wherever you can. Now, the third benefit to volunteering is that tech events typically have special guest speakers come and speak at those events, and if you're a part of the organization as a volunteer, you'll get the opportunity to actually meet those special guests before the rest of the attendees of the event do. So that means that you might even be the one assigned to help make sure the guest speaker is taken care of. And that creates a world of opportunity for you because you get to help them prepare for the event. And that helps to build trust and makes you more memorable than just another audience member that they meet at the event. It's also something that you can reference later on if you ever run into them again. So I hope that those 3 points open your eyes to why volunteering is a powerful tool to help you to quickly build rapport and credibility with people, while also reducing a lot of the awkwardness and hesitation that comes with just the typical way of trying to network. And honestly, I don't think there's an easier way to network when trying to enter a new industry that you don't have much experience or exposure to outside of volunteering. And really, this is my philosophy in life. I try to always first provide value before trying to ask for anything in return. So if you're looking to break into another industry or to just improve your network overall, I strongly urge you to think about volunteering. You can go to meetup.com and even check out eventbrite.com, where you can search for different meetup groups and events in your area based on your interests, and start reaching out to the organizers to see if there's anything that you can help with. People will really appreciate you for it, and it can potentially open up a lot of doors and opportunities for you. And that's it. Help my channel grow by subscribing if you haven't already, and like this video and comment down below to let me know what you think.